Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can write a description for your Etsy shop. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using the example of editing your listing instead of your whole shop because I can't set up my shop manager fully because I don't have any information to give them regarding my bank account and everything, because I don't actually plan on using this account to sell anything. However, I'll give you some pointers to write a good description for your Etsy store, and you can very easily do that through the shop manager to just change anything about your Etsy shop. And to write a good description, you should use your tags and keywords at the very top. You should do that to improve the SEO of your page and your shop so that people will find it more easily across any search engines or within the Etsy search function as well. Now, other than that, you should use the description in its fullest. You should make the beginning of the description as engaging as possible so that people have the incentive to expand the description of your shop. And you should add all the needed information that people will want to know and that will better your chances of being found through searches. You should also promote, of course, your shop through other means such as Pinterest and other social media. However, the main thing about the description is to have all the keywords, the tags that are important. You need to make it as engaging as possible, easy to read. So instead of a block of text, format it in a way that will be easy to read and it has all the needed information. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Writing a description is relatively easy. However, mastering how to write a good description is hard because you need to write it as concise but as detailed as it needs to be so that people will find it and actually have use of the description. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.